Alright, brief look at the Solana metrics and my updated price prediction for the next cycle. My name is mikemadz. Let's start. Before we start the video, as always, please like, comment below, check out my links in the description and subscribe. It's actually for free. Let's go. There was the rumor going around that Solana only has a handful of developers left. That, of course, is again not true. As you can see here, the full-time developers, Solana clearly is at place number 2 after Ethereum. With well over 2,000 active developers and a yearly growth of around 75%, of course, Solana still has a massive developer community, as I always mention in my other videos. I just wanted to make that clear because there is rumors going around that Solana devs are leaving. Just a side quote, big respect here to Polkadot, because on a daily level especially, I'm seeing massive developer activity on the Polkadot blockchain. Okay, so we have to keep an eye on that, and I might cover Polkadot here in the future soon. Okay, another chart here, total developers since launch. As you can see, data simply doesn't lie. Solana having massive growth, especially compared to the other layer 1s and blockchains you can see there. Okay, so nothing to worry here. And I'm in talks with a Solana developer currently, and we might drop an interview here soon on my channel. Okay, so stay tuned. All right, next up is the Nakamoto coefficient. We're going to have a brief look at that again. What is it? It is one way to measure decentralization on a blockchain. And the numbers of December came in. And as you can see here, it measured by 32. So slight increase compared to October and November. And the most important thing is we're still above the industry's average. Okay, especially if you compare it to other layer 1s. And you have to keep in mind that coefficient will increase once Firedancer is completely released, the new validator program. So also here, great sign, and we have something actually to look forward to actually also increase that number. So decentralization on Solana, yes, controversial topic. However, the VC money is out, and as you can clearly see, measured by the Nakamoto coefficient, we are definitely above the industry standard. All right, diving into the NFT space on Solana, again, something I'm not worrying about at all, because simply the community, NFT community is very strong, and Solana is cheap and fast and easy to use. And this is why, in my personal opinion, the NFT volume is always second to Ethereum and catching up slowly, okay? Yes, Solana is not Ethereum, and I don't think Solana will replace Ethereum. I'm holding both. And Solana is my hedge against Ethereum. I have, of course, high hopes for it in the future. As you can see here, we clearly hold a strong position after Ethereum. Yes, we had some major NFT projects migrating to Polygon and other blockchains. However, as you can see, Solana is still being strong in that segment. And it's just a glimpse of the future, because NFTs currently, of course, are just pictures and some collectibles. But NFTs can be much more. And this is why I wouldn't ditch the NFT metrics yet. Yes, they represent sales of pictures currently, but they can represent much, much more in the future. And this is why it's important to take a look at which blockchains are being used for that. All right, unfortunately, of course, not everything is excelling on Solana. One thing that took a major hit is TVL and the DeFi space. As you can see here, Solana took the most decline amongst the peer group, and simply people are not locking their funds in the DeFi protocols on Solana yet, okay? And we're not seeing improvement there yet. It is too early here. We still need that trust to slowly build, and we still need this incentive to grow for Solana for people to lock their funds in DeFi, okay? If you compare it to other layer 1s, as you can see, most metrics are very, very strong for Solana, especially the decentralization and number of validators. Market cap to TVL is very bad. And of course, also the number of DeFi protocols are better on other chains. But this is where I see the potential for Solana in the future. And I think this year and 2024 will be the year of Solana DeFi and hopefully Solana DeFi summer, okay? Okay, coming to my price prediction, again, I have to warn you, it's just my personal opinion. And this is why I'm investing into Solana, and this is my long-term outlook for it. I'm not looking for that 50 or 100% gain. I'm looking at the big picture, the possible potential of Solana and where it can go in the future, okay? And here, things are unchanged. I know it's hard to say at this current market condition, and people will call you crazy. However, I had my prediction. The prediction is still unchanged. It is somewhere, it's a big range, somewhere between $500 and $1,000 per Solana. Yes, currently at those prices, those predictions sound absolutely insane. And those prices can be only reached, in my personal opinion, if Ethereum at least hits 10,000 here in the next cycle. Then I don't see any reason why Solana cannot hit at least $800 here in the future. Yes, nothing is guaranteed, But this is one of the main reasons why I'm investing in Solana, simply because there is a lot of upside potential. The metrics don't lie. Okay? At the end of the day, guys, as always on this channel, be bullish on yourself, do your own research, and don't get wrecked.